Hey, good morning, Patriots. Today is Monday, April 12th. I want to welcome everyone back from spring break. I hope you had some rest. You got some rest and had a good break. But we're back at school today. Today is a little different. If you're in cohort A or cohort B, those cohorts are now gone away. And if you're in school, you're just back in school with everyone. We still have some remote students, and that's fine. So what I want you guys to do this morning is log into Canvas. Okay, then I want you to go to modules, and this week is April 12th. So we're going to be in April 12th, Paxton, Patterson, home maintenance estimation, checklist, and securing your home. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do when you get in here, you're going to click on home maintenance estimation. Well, the first thing you're going to do is watch this video, and I'll put this in this module this morning. Then you're going to click on home maintenance estimation. Okay, and it gives you step-by-step instructions as far as what to do. You're going to log into Paxton Patterson and complete the following. Estimation and home maintenance, exterior maintenance estimation, curb appeal, interior maintenance estimation, basic renovation, time estimation, budgeting for home maintenance projects, and the what's your estimation activity. Okay, when you complete that, you're going to still be in Paxton Patterson. You're going to go to home maintenance checklist, and you're going to complete the following: the importance of home maintenance checklist, type of home maintenance checklist, and then the activity home maintenance checklist. And the third step in the module this week is going to be securing your home and critical writing. Okay, so again, you're going to be in Paxton Patterson. You're going to go to the securing the home and critical writing component, and you're going to do securing the home, safety, deterrent, detection, and evidence, do-it-yourself or DIY home security system, securing your home network, and the activity critical writing. Now, the critical writing is probably the biggest assignment for the week. Okay, first thing you're going to do is examine the problem. Okay, then you're going to solve the problem in step 2. Then you're going to do your pre-writing, where you plan your writing by thinking about the topic and your purpose. While a narrative piece requires you to describe a sequence of events, argumentative writing requires you to write to first state your point of view, then tell why you think it is correct, and present facts to support your opinion. Identifying, drafting, revising, proofreading, publishing, and submitting your critical evidence. Okay, so those are the steps you're going to do in submitting your evidence, okay, and submitting your writing assignment. Okay. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to shoot me an email. You can message me in Canvas, and I'll reply to you just as soon as I get your message. Okay. Again, welcome back from spring break, and I hope you guys have a good week. We're only several weeks away from the end of the school year, so let's finish strong. Okay. Thank you. Have a good day.